Best Wireless Earbuds Reviewed App. The pros, the cons. The Best Wireless Earbuds Reviewed app is a must-have for anyone looking to find the perfect earbuds without wasting hours online. Most people get this wrong by relying only on brand popularity, but here's the surprising truth: not all top-selling earbuds deliver the sound quality, comfort or battery life you expect. A major pro of this app is its comprehensive reviews. It evaluates features like audio quality, battery life, Bluetooth stability and comfort. For example, you'll discover which earbuds deliver deep bass for music lovers, or which options have noise-cancelling technology that actually works in busy environments. Another advantage is real-time price tracking and deals. You won't believe how often people overpay because they don't check multiple retailers. The app highlights discounts, bundles, and seasonal sales, helping users get the best value for their money. The app also includes comparison tools. You can line up 2 or more earbuds side by side, checking pros and cons like water resistance, voice assistant compatibility, and touch controls. Some reviews even feature user ratings and long-term durability insights, so you know which earbuds hold up over time. On the downside, some premium features require a subscription, such as full comparison charts or early access to new product reviews. Additionally, personal audio preference is subjective. What sounds amazing to one person might feel underwhelming to another. In conclusion, the Best Wireless Earbuds Reviewed app is an essential resource for making informed decisions. By providing detailed evaluations, price alerts, and side-by-side comparisons, it helps you choose earbuds that match your lifestyle, preferences, and budget. With consistent use, it can save both time and money, while ensuring you get the listening experience you deserve.